welcome to another video of my channel. So today I'm going to start another series on my channel by the name The Heroes of Nagaland. In this series I'm going to talk about the different heroes who have been involved in the growth of Nagaland. They may be from any field like politics, sports, police department, other government departments, or anything that has affected the people of Nagaland and the name of Nagaland. So from today I'm going to start the series, and the first personality whose career is Shri S.C. Jamir. Shri S.C. Jamir is former Chief Minister of Nagaland and retired Governor of various states. He is one of the most prominent figures in the politics of Nagaland. He is considered a national hero. He is a Padma Bhushan. So talking about Shri S.C. Jamir, Sena Yangba Chuba Toshi Jamir. His full name is Sena Yangba Chuba Toshi Jamir. Born on 17th of October 1931. He was an Indian politician, a former governor of various states. Earlier, he was the parliamentary secretary to Shri Jawaharlal Nehru and deputy minister under Indira Gandhi. He has served as Chief Minister of Nagaland, Governor of Maharashtra, Governor of Gujarat, Governor of Goa, and Governor of Odisha. He has been awarded the third highest civilian award, that is Padma Bhushan, in 2020 for his works in public affairs. Shri S.C. Jamir was born in Ungma village of Mokokchung, Nagaland. In the British era, it was called Ungma Naga Hills District, Assam Province, British India. Talking about early life of Shri S.C. Jamir, he was born to Sena Yangba and Takatula of Ungma village. Jamir is the grandson of Jungshin Obdang, who in the 19th century had an opportunity to meet Reverend Edwin W. Clark, who was the American Christian missionary and was instrumental in bringing Christianity to Nagaland. Shri S.C. Jamir did his early education in Mokokchung and then at Kolkata's Scottish Church College. After that, he gone to Allahabad University for his higher studies, where he completed his BA LLB. Talking about his political career, he was one of the members of the committee which had an opportunity to discuss with Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, then Prime Minister, the development, the establishment of the state of Nagaland. He also served as Parliamentary Secretary to Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the member of the delegation which was sent to UN in 1962. Along with that, he is one of the signatories of 16-point agreement which brought about the creation of Nagaland and is today considered as the great architects of the modern Nagaland state. He has also served as first member of parliament from Nagaland from 1961 till 1970. During this period, he has also served as Union Deputy Minister for Railways, Labour and Rehabilitation from 1968 to 1970. He also served as Union Deputy Minister for Community Development and Cooperation, Food and Agriculture. However, in 1971, when the first time he faced someone against him in elections, he lost to Shri Kavichusa Anyami. Prior to these 1971 elections, he never faced an opponent in elections for the Member of Parliament. Now talking about his term at State Legislature. He has served as the 5 times Chief Minister of Nagaland from 1980 till 1981, from 1982 till 1986, from 1989 till 1990, and from 1993 till 2003. He is also the longest serving Chief Minister of Nagaland. He has also served as the member of Rajya Sabha from 1987 till 1992. Now talking about his career as governor. He was the governor of Goa from 2004 till 2008. In 2008, he was given the additional charge of Maharashtra. Thereafter, he resigned from Goa and became the full governor of Maharashtra. While being the governor of Maharashtra in 2009, he had an opportunity to serve as governor of Gujarat as an additional charge. In 2013, he was appointed as governor of Odisha, where he served till 2018. In 2020, he was given Padma Bhushan at 71st Republic Day of India. Talking about his personal life, in 1958, he was married to Inkong Lemla, daughter of Sengka Lemba. With her, he had 5 children. His mother died in 2016 when she was 101 years old. One of his daughters passed away in 1996. He has been conferred an honorary doctorate from University of Cambodia in 2017. So, this was a Naga hero, Shri S.C. Jamir, Padma Bhushan. If you like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe the channel. I am receiving so much love from the state of Nagaland. I really love you all people from the great state of Nagaland. Keep supporting, keep loving. Good wishes to all of you. May God bless you all. Much love from Wandering Souls. Meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.